All right, Robert, what are we doing today? What are we getting? What'd you get it out of? Was it in here? You got it out of here? Oh, where'd you go? Oh, right there.
Hoop 2, man. We're going to talk about the Hoop 2 today.
All right, let's go talk about the Hoop 2. Let's go to the back.
Yeah, I want to walk down the street.
You want to walk down the street, bro?
Yeah, I want to walk down the street, man.
All right, if we can find some shade, let's go walk down the street.
Cool. It's a nice day to walk down the street. That's all I got to say.
We're walking and vlogging.
Yeah, for you guys on the East Coast, it's probably snowing, and here it's about 70 degrees. So.
Yeah, dude, yesterday was like, I could not believe it. It felt like summer.
Why the heck?
The concrete's broken? All right, Robert, so what is it that you got in your hand right now?
All right, I got the Hoop 2 Step. It's the most popular product from Carr.
Awesome, so this is the infamous Hoop 2 Step. So you guys sell more of these things than anything else that you guys make, correct?
Yes, we do.
All right, man, so let us know, like, how easy is this thing to install? Like, how long does it take? Like, is it easy to install? You know what I mean? Give us some installation, details.
Okay, so you're looking at about 30 minutes a step. What you're looking at is, in the instructions, it's going to show you how to first set up where you want your step to be under the door frame, usually centered on the front of your seat. You're going to put a little dot on with a marker to find out where you want to put your holes into your pinch weld and your rocker panel. From there, it's going to show you how to mount these brackets onto your rocker panel. You're going to put the bolts through the pinch weld, sheet metal screw into the rocker panel, and from there you have a step that's set up for 350 pounds plus easy.
So, like, how can they go and find out more information in regards to, like, installation?
We have instructions on www.carr.com. You can look over there for anything you might need. We have some YouTube videos. You can check us out online. If you Google search us, there's a lot of different ways you can figure out, if you need installation instructions or if you just want to buy a pair. We're easy to find.
Are you guys easy to get a hold of, too, if, like, they ever need any assistance when installing? If they have a question, like, can they call in?
Oh, yeah, sure. You can call in from 7 o'clock to 3:30 Pacific time. We're always ready, available to talk to you and help out.
Awesome. Let's give them one last look at that. Let's give them a 360 view. Nice. All right, guys, so remember, we're going to be reviewing weekly products. We're going to give install instructions. We're going to have future content coming. So, guys, if you guys want to check out any of the products or purchase anything or purchase the Hoop 2, go to www.carr.com, and that's Carr with 2 R's, C-A-R-R. All right, guys, so we're going to be heading out today. We'll catch you guys next time.